Hello students and welcome back. So this is the part 3 of the agriculture MCQ for class 10th. I hope आपको मेरे part 1 और part 2 अच्छे लगे होंगे. If you are enjoying it, do share with your friends, like and subscribe to my channel. It keeps me motivated. And to attempt these MCQs yourself, do check the link on each of the description of the video. So let's begin the part 3. The state which is the largest producer of groundnut is Karnataka, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu or Andhra Pradesh. So students, Gujarat is the largest producer of groundnut. सबसे ज़्यादा मूंगफली गुजरात में होती है. And students, we will refer the book also for this. Groundnut is a kharif crop and accounts for about half of the major oil seeds produced in the country. Gujarat was the largest producer of groundnut, followed by Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh in 2016 and 17. So सबसे ज़्यादा गुजरात, उसके बाद राजस्थान, फिर आंध्र प्रदेश. Linseed and mustard are rabi crops, and sesamum is a kharif crop in north and rabi crop in South India. Castor seed is grown both as rabi and kharif crop. Kharif crops are harvested in October to December, March to May, September to October और April to June. Students, ये MCQ question repeat किया क्योंकि it's an important one. So remember, Kharif crops are harvested in September to October. Which crop is used both for food and fodder? Maize, bajra, wheat और ज्वार. Students, so इसका मतलब है कि ऐसा क्रॉप जो कि खाना भी आपको देता है और जो आपके कैटल के लिए फॉडर भी है. सो इसका आंसर है maize. Maize is a crop which is used both for food and fodder. And we will refer the book as well, students. Maize. Maize, it is a crop which is used both as food and fodder. It is a kharif crop which requires a temperature between 21 degrees centigrades to 27 degrees centigrades and grows well in old alluvial soil. तो मेज कैसी सॉइल पे होती है? ओल्ड alluvial soil पे अच्छी ग्रो करती है. In some states like Bihar, maize is grown in Rabi season also. Millets have high nutritional value and are rich in iron and calcium, minerals, phosphates or proteins. So students, millets have very high nutritional value and they are rich in iron and calcium. Let's read a little bit more in the book also. So students, if you refer the book, millets, jowar, bajra and ragi. So these are three which are the important millets grown in India. Though these are known as coarse grains, they have very high nutritional value. For example, ragi is very rich in iron, calcium and other micronutrients and roughage. Jowar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. It is a rain-fed crop mostly grown in the moist areas which hardly needs any irrigation. The major crops grown in India are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, etc., rice, wheat, pulses, tea, coffee, sugarcane, etc., or mango, jute, cotton, barley, etc., or none of the above. And students' answer for this is the major crops in India are rice, wheat, pulses, tea, coffee, sugarcane, etc. Genetic engineering is recognized as a powerful supplement in inventing new agricultural tools, hybrid variety of plants, hybrid variety of seeds or modern machines. So students, genetic engineering is nothing but changing the seeds and developing new hybrid variety of seeds. Which one of the following is not a cropping season? Winter, Zaid, Rabi or Kharif. So students, हमें पता है there are three cropping seasons. One is Rabi, one is Kharif, and in between Rabi and Kharif it is Zaid. But there is no cropping season which is known as winter. India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of which of the following crops? Oil seeds, pulses, millets or rice. So students, आपको पता होगा we eat almost pulses every day, दाल मखनी, पीली दाल, काली दाल, नीली दाल, अरहर की दाल, सब दालें आर pulses. We are the largest producer and also we are the largest consumer of pulses. Which of the following crops is produced during Zaid cropping season? Groundnut, muskmelon, sugarcane और मूंग. So students आपको पता होगा Zaid cropping season आता है रबी और खरीफ सीजन के बीच में. So in this muskmelon is produced. So only muskmelon is the answer. Which of the following crops is not a millet? Maize, bajra, jowar और रागी. सो स्टूडेंट्स हमने थोड़ी देर पहले कुछ रेफर किया था बुक में, हमने पढ़ा था. सो मिलेट्स आर बेसिकली माजरा, जवार एंड रागी. मेज जो है वो मिलेट नहीं है. सो आंसर इज मेज. सो इफ यू सी दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन इज कमिंग अगेन एंड अगेन. मस्क मेलन ग्रोज इन खरीफ सीजन, रबी सीजन, जैद सीजन और ऑल द 3 सीजन्स. सो आपको पता होगा मस्क मेलन नॉर्मली हम जो ग्रो करते हैं वो जैद सीजन में करते हैं. Which one of the following is the feature of plantation agriculture? It is a single crop plantation, it is done in large area, or it produces raw material for industries or all of the above. So students आप देखेंगे जैसे टी है, कॉफ़ी है, रबर है, these are all plantation agriculture. तो ये एक ही टाइप की प्लांटेशन एक क्रॉप की होती है, ज़्यादा बड़े एरिया में करी जाती है, और जो इससे जो प्रोडक्शन होती है that is raw material for industries. For example, rubber जो है that is a raw material. Similarly, coffee beans are the raw material which ultimately becomes coffee powder and other things. So answer is all of the above. Which of the following crops are grown with the onset of monsoons and are harvested in the month of September and October? Kharif, Rabi, Zaidi or none of the above? And I think आपको ये आप guess कर चुके होंगे. Kharif is the crops which is harvested in September and October and they are grown on with the onset of monsoons. Which of the following are known as coarse grains? Oil seeds, wheat and rice, pulses like urad, arhar or gram, millets like jawar, bajra and ragi. So students हमने पढ़ा था जो millets होते हैं that is jawar, bajra and ragi, they are the coarse grains. और coarse grain का जो मतलब होता है, coarse grain means which are cereal grains other than the wheat and rice. मतलब चावल और गेहूं के अलावा जो भी सीरियल्स होते हैं ये millets या coarse grains के अंदर आते हैं. These are basically primarily used for animal feed or brewing. ठीक है? So answer is millets, jowar, bajra and ragi. Rabi crops are sown from January to March, March to May, April to June or October to December. And students, answer for this is Rabi crops are sown from October to December. Which of the following is known as golden fiber? Cotton, hemp, jute or silk? I think everybody must be knowing it. सबको पता होगा हम jute को golden fiber भी कहते हैं. So answer is jute is also known as golden fiber. What is slash and burn agriculture called in many northern eastern states? ये I think मैंने cover किया है पहले भी, but because it's an important one, ये ऐसे question आपको आ सकते हैं कि please tell the slash and burn agriculture called in northeastern states and what does slash and burn mean? So आप इसको ज़रूर पढ़िएगा. Options हैं रे, मसोल, मिल्पा and झुमिंग. And answer for this students is it is known as झुमिंग in northeastern states. If rice is a commercial crop in Haryana and Punjab, in which state is it a subsistence crop? Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Odisha or Maharashtra? And students, answer for this is rice is a subsistence crop in Odisha. And students, this brings to the last question of this part 3 as well. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छे लग रहे हैं. अगर लग रहे हैं तो please do share and like and subscribe to my channel. It keeps me motivated. Last question है, in which type of soil does maize grow well? Black soil, light domat soil or old alluvial soil or none of these? So students, इसका आंसर है maize grows well in old alluvial soil. Okay, and students, thank you for watching this video. I wish you all the success and good luck for your exam and life. Keep watching and keep sharing. So answer for this is old alluvial soil.